Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 110 over 1 plus x plus 121 over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 200 to find the value of x. In the first step, in here we can write this 110 as 10 times 11, right? Over 1 plus x. And plus, in here we can write 121 as 11 to power of 2 over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 200. And in next step, in here, we can write this as 10 times 11 over 1 plus x, right? And plus, and here we can write 11 over 1 plus x bracket to power of 2 is equal to 200. In next step, in here, 11 over 1 plus x is common, so we let 11 over 1 plus x as u. So, we rewrite this equation and it will be 10 times, this is u, 10 times u plus u square is equal to 200. And in next step, we take this 200 to this side and it will be, here we have u square plus 10u and minus 200 is equal to 0. And here we have a quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u square is 1 and b is coefficient of u is 10 and c is constant is negative 200. And it will be u is equal to negative b, negative 10 plus or minus square root of b square, 10 square is 100 and minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 200 over 2a, 2a is 2. And in here, u is equal to negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 100. In here, negative times negative, it will be positive. And 4 times 1 is 4, and times 200, it will be 800 over 2. And in here, u is equal to negative 10 plus or minus 100 plus 800, it will be 900, and the square root of 900 is 30 over 2. So, in here, we have two values for u. U is equal to negative 10 plus 30, it will be positive 20, and over 2 it will be 10. And u is negative 10 minus 30, it will be negative 40, and over 2 it will be negative 20. And in next step, we recall u is equal to 11 over 1 plus x. So, we write in here, u is equal to 11 over 1 plus x. So, in here, u is 10. So, 11 over 1 plus x is equal to 10. And in here, 10 is 10 over 1, right? So, in here, we apply cross multiplication. This times this and this times this. So, 1 times 11 is equal to 10 times 1 plus x. It will be 10 plus 10x. And here we take this 10 to this side and it will be 11 minus 10 is equal to 10x. It will be 1 is equal to 10x. And we divide both of this equation by 10, so it will be 1 over 10 is equal to x, right? So this is our first answer. And here u is equal to negative 20. So we write in here for u is equal to negative 20. u is 11 over 1 plus x. So 11 over 1 plus x is equal to u, and u is negative 20. And here, negative 20, we can write negative 20 over 1, and we use cross multiplication. This times this, and this times this. So it will be 1 times 11, it will be 11, is equal to negative 20 times 1 plus x, it will be negative 20 minus 20x, right? And here we take this negative 20 to this side, and it will be 11 plus 20 is equal to negative 20x, and it will be 31 is equal to negative 20x. And we divide both of this equation by negative 20, so this divided by negative 20, and this divided by negative 20. And from here it will be, this will cancel this, and x is equal to negative 31 over 20. 31 over 20. And this is our second answer. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.